Welcome to the first in a series of devlogs designed to showcase progress on Obscura. I'm going to cover the knowledge extraction pipeline, which turns the contents of your files into structured, network data for you and your LLMs to explore. We're going to start here in the File Connectors page, where team admins can connect their existing file systems to the app. When you add a new connector, you'll be redirected to the provider's authentication page, where you'll be asked to give Obscura read-only access to the drive. Once you've connected a drive, you can specify individual root folders to enable within your team's workspace, giving you more granular control over what files your team can access through the app. Creating a file connector won't automatically start syncing any files, so for that, we're going to go and create a new project. I'm going to go into more detail about projects in the next devlog, so for now, I'm going to use this existing one, which contains a sample of documents from Apple's SEC filings. When we first load up a project, we can see the files that we've linked, as well as some metadata about the parsing status and the number of entities that were extracted from the file. Every document is OCR'd, embedded, and run through a natural language pipeline to extract named entities and relationships from the text. There's also a document classification feature slated for development later this year, which will automatically label documents based on their contents to help you with organizing your files. This pipeline works well on documents which are well formatted like this one, but it also performs well on messy scans that may have handwriting in it. And thanks to Mistral's OCR API, you'll be able to get generated text summaries of any images or charts, so you can search for any media embedded within your documents just by describing their contents. If I expand this side panel over here, I can see the table of contents which has been generated, as well as a list of all of the entities which are named within this document. And if I wanted to go ahead and click on one, it will take me to the exact location within the file where they're mentioned. If I want to get a more visual representation of all of the entities that are mentioned inside this document, I can go to the graph view, where I have this semantic map that shows me not only the named entities, but also the relationships that exist between them. If I wanted to get a bigger picture of all of the entities that are mentioned inside this project, I can go over here to the Entities tab, where it will show me all of the entities and how they connect both to each other and the text. And that's because all of the entities that are extracted from your files are stored in your team's dedicated graph database alongside the chunked text and any file metadata, which means that not only can you explore the relationships between data points within your graph, but you can also then trace the provenance of those relationships back to the original source material. That concludes this devlog, and in upcoming videos I'll be covering how to organize data within a project and also how you can use LLMs to assist you with your analysis and data management. Thanks for watching.